Hello guys, it's got ourselves another beautiful day. So this weekend was a pretty great weekend. Drove a couple of razors, did some donuts. I wish I'd filmed it, but I didn't because I'm kind of dumb like that. Anyways, had a lot of fun. I rolled a razor. That would have been some great footage, but I didn't get it because it is what it is. Anyways, we're on our way to pick up an engine. Where's the gloves? You have the gloves. Thank you. You're welcome. On our way to pick up an engine and run a couple errands. Alright. Gotta borrow this hoist. Piece of cake. Thank you. Alright, so right now you're probably saying, but David, you already have an engine. What about Chris's 5.0, the Lincoln? We are doing a quick change of plans. For any of you that know me personally, you know I'm not a Ford guy. I am a Chevy guy, through and through. So, I found a really good deal on a different engine. We're gonna go ahead and do that. This engine is gonna be cheaper to make faster, and it's a Chevy engine, so we're gonna do that instead. Okay, it's like 10 o'clock at night. Tired, pissed off, but we got our engine. The 5.3 V8 Chevy small block. Yeah, Chevy small block. This guy hit me up with a great deal. $1,000 for a 300 horsepower engine, transmission, all my wiring, crap, and everything. It's a non-LS. It's a Vortec. Not quite as good, but it'll do the trick. That's what I'm looking for. Also, check out how low that BMW is. Holy crap. Okay, I don't know how much you guys can see, but we're at the shop. We have the engine. Getting ready to make moves. Hang on a second. Uh-oh. Got it, don't pull. Nice and slow. Try and see if you can rock it to the right a bit.
I can't.
And I'll just leave it on gradual descent mode.
A little bit more gradual descent, maybe.
Alright, that's that. New. What is it?
Vortec 350, right?
Vortec 350 in the shop, ready to go in the Volvo. As soon as I get some rest and figure out how soon I can start on the rest of this crap.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, it's shop night. We're down here at the shop. We're gonna start cracking on this Volvo swap. Putting this Vortec engine into this Volvo. First things first, we gotta pull the old engine out. It may take a bit, but we'll see what we can do. You know, I was planning on taking the hood off, but it opens up so far. I think we'll be okay just to leave it on. So, what we gotta do is we gotta take apart this front end. Because to be able to pull this engine out, we gotta pull the radiator support grill and bumper off. So the front end is shaped kind of like a U shape. That U shape will give us enough space to lift the engine up out much easier. So this grill just comes off with these little white clips with a key on them. Go ahead and get rid of that. These headlights look like they're the same deal. Just a keyed plastic clip. Pull those out now. Okay, headlights and grill are off. We're going to do with these radiator supports off. We're going to take off this top metal support. We're going to see what else is in our way. Just as we go, we're also going to pull off stuff as we see fit, like this air box and maybe other stuff that'll get in the way. What are you still connected to? Oh, the cable for that. There we go. Tiny little bolt. It'll be very easy to lose that, and we need this. So I just noticed this. This is the side of the airbox. I was facing the other side, the driver's fender of the Volvo. I thought they had worn this down with like an alternator or something, but this on the wrong side. Looking at it, battery acid wore down the airbox. Check your batteries, always. Alright, so frankly, I'm running out of things to do that I can do tonight without Chris. So I think I'll just come back later with Chris and we'll try and knock as much of this out as we can. Maybe next couple days or so.